Alright, there you go. Oh, someone text me. Alright, it's not bad timing, guys. Well, I just got some good stuff there. I don't know what happened there. You might check in the chat by now. Gosh. The bike. Alright, there needs to be a somewhere over here, guys. Has to be. Looks like some people are joining. Yeah, it looks so weird, guys. There's skeletons. Spooky, scary skeletons. It's like. Well, I got the 100 clip. That's good. Good thing I found it, guys. I could just equip that thing. But still, I need to find that crate. Where, though? Just where? I could use that bike. What? Oh, wait. Scrap it. That's good. Alright, guys. We're good to go. I might carry extra. I don't know which one to drop. I'm gonna drop this one then. I'm just gonna repair that thing, guys. Alright, I'm gonna get the Electron just to make sure, guys. Sometimes I was in a glitch. Makes you like overspeed. And that's stupid. Alright, there you go. Let's get the heck out of here, guys.